Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best embossing machines. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Instahibit 70-character PVC card embosser stamping machine. Looking for an embossing machine that can fulfill all your stamping requirements? We have the perfect one for you. It comes with a card framework, spacing ruler, and code selection plate, which ensures easy and simple operations. It is well built and durable, so you can use this machine for all types of projects. With the help of this machine, you can effortlessly print different characters on cards by selecting the dial and pulling the lever. It will give all your cards a professional finish and will make them look good. Overall, it is a great machine that comes in a sleek and minimalistic white design. Moving on, at number 9, we have the Sizzix Tim Holtz Vagabond 2. Sizzix Vagabond 2, designed by Tim Holtz, is an electric embossing machine that makes creating scraps effortless for you with the push of a button. It is a lightweight yet powerful, portable machine that you can carry anywhere you want. Made from high-quality material, this machine works efficiently and also features a robust industrial motor that prevents jam while working. This machine will impress you with its superb ability to cut and emboss different materials. It is also simple to start and manage, and there is no need for any professional help. You can use it to fulfill almost all types of project needs using this machine. Overall, it is an amazing machine that offers incredible performance. At number 8, we have the Sizzix 660950 embossing machine. This machine gives you creative empowerment and liberty to use. It is an easy, affordable, and fun embossing equipment that allows you to create your personalized cards, invitations, and other things. With matchless quality and timeless designs, it helps you to transform simple cardstocks into elegant, unique embossed treasures. Moreover, this machine accommodates texture fades and textured impressions, and texture trade folders, which makes designing crafts easier for you. It is simple to manage, and there is nothing complicated about the embossing machine. On the whole, Sizzix helps you to discover and express your distinct style, from quilting, paper crafting, party planning, home decor, and more. At number 7, we have the Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit 661770. Sizzix embossing machine is a complete starter kit suitable for art and craft, scrapbooking, as well as card making. It is perfect for beginners, as it is compact in size and ensures easy storage. Plus, the machine can cut a multitude of materials to fit all your project needs. It will emboss and cut thinner materials such as paper, cardstock, and vellum. You can make all sorts of items with the use of this machine without any trouble, as it has easy maneuverability. It is compatible with different cutting pads available in the market. One of its unique features is that it comes with a vacuum seal that keeps the machine securely at its place while you are working on it. Lastly, with the touch of just one button, this machine kickstarts and fulfills your multitude of embossing needs. At number 6, we have the Burda Craft die cutting and embossing machine. This is an incredible embossing machine available in the market for big projects at a low price that delivers excellent performance. It cuts without causing any trouble and takes limited space in your workplace. This equipment is well sturdy yet lightweight and ideal for beginners and experts alike. Plus, it works well with all leading embossing folders as well as acid etched dies. An interesting thing about this die cutting and embossing machine is that it utilizes real plates instead of plastics and therefore prevents the need for replacement. It is a solid built, long-lasting, and beautiful addition to your workstation and accessories. At number 5, we have the Gemini Twin Function Cutter and Embosser. The Gemini Cutter and Embosser are small, compact, and efficient for portable use. You can simply place it on the desktop and workstation for easy accessibility and use. Plus, you can carry this machine to craft classes, vacations, or any other place. It is faster, lighter, and quieter than other embossing or die cutting machines. This Gemini machine is designed for cutting heavyweight materials as well as intricate dies. It also applies heavy pressure than other machines, which allows better cutting of your designs. Notably, this equipment can also pause, resume, and reverse the plates within itself. Overall, it is a nice machine with a practical and straightforward design. At number 4, we have the Embossing Machine. Fenci, a manual embossing machine, makes PVC cards exclusive or identified by printing convex characters upon them. It has a heavy, durable structure and simple yet beautiful design, which offers convenient operation. This machine is further well suited for small batches or personalized projects. You do not require specific training to use this machine. All you need to do is dial to the character you want to print and push the lever. Work is done. This machine finishes the work professionally and efficiently. As compared to other embossing machines, it is economical and allows you to print your own club cards, VIP cards, gift cards, etc. At number 3, we have the Sizzix Big Shot 660,200 manual die cutting and embossing machine. The Big Shot embossing and die cutting machine offers versatility that allows you to pursue and fulfill a wide range of creative projects. It cuts shapes and complex designs simply and practically. This machine features hundreds of designs from which you can select as per your choice. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals. With the correct use of the machine, you can effortlessly create different craft materials for greeting cards and scrapbooks. Moreover, the machine can cut a multitude of materials from thick to thin. It is compatible with all Sizzix library products. On the whole, it is a nice machine that allows you to express yourself in the best manner creatively. At number 2, we have the upgraded hot foil stamping machine. This foil stamping machine is perfect for embossed leather, handicrafts, handbags, stationery, wood products, and much more. It comes with outstanding features that make this product ideal for use. First, this machine features a digital temperature control system, which makes it convenient to use. Second, it is reliable and perfectly balanced that ensures a uniform and durable stamping force. Third, it can be used for wider stamping positions. Fourth, it offers accurate results with the help of a metal screen scale. On the whole, this machine has all the necessary functions that allow for smooth operation and better results. And finally, at number 1, we have the BestEquip Embossing Machine 72. This embosser machine is well suited for designing PVC gift cards, club cards, membership cards, and personalized VIP cards. With heavy-duty construction, this machine offers the right stability while working and also ensures long-lasting use. It features a premium character plate with 72 coded characters that allow you to customize your cards as per your choice and requirements. Plus, the ergonomic handle of the machine is not only comfortable to hold but allows for easy functioning. This machine further comes in a portable design, which makes it easy to move and ideal for a variety of work environments. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.